Hey guys, Billy here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard. I'm going to go ahead and start with the outboard itself. It's the brand new 250 Mercury Verado. It's naturally aspirated, so it's very quiet and very fuel efficient. Next I'll show you one of our ski tow points. Is a ski pylon right here. The next one would be on the tower itself. So this does have the sports tower option with the two board racks on the sides and obviously the bimini. Next place I want to go is show you guys the huge storage area that you get by, instead of having a sterndrive boat, you have the outboard option. You get all that storage space in there. Next up, I'll go ahead and just show you the cockpit area. There's tons of seating, as you can tell. Then we have a removable cooler, so you can take it on and off board, load up the ice and drinks while you're at the house. Next, I'll show you the captain's chair. Then there's a companion's chair, both with the flip-up bolsters. Another thing on this boat is with the 23 feet and up from Sea Ray, it does come with a full head. Then we'll go to the helm. It is equipped with the Simrad Go 5. It's a fish finder navigation, depth finder all in one. It's a pretty simple to use component. Just push this home button here, it'll take you to that screen. Then you can choose whatever you'd like, such as the chart. Then it has the Fusion audio system. Then up front is our bow area. Tons of room for seating, and definitely a fun place to hang out. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Thanks for taking the time to check out this 23 SPX outboard by Sea Ray. Bye.